Hello and welcome. Today we will be talking about and demonstrating proper sneeze etiquette. We want to contain as many germs as possible, especially with all of the illnesses circulating around right now, plus cold and flu season is upon us. So before we get started, here are a few sneeze facts. A single sneeze can travel up to 100 miles per hour. During any given sneeze, up to 40,000 droplets can be produced. The sneeze spray radius is up to 5 feet wide. That's why it is so important that we stay at least 6 feet apart from others. Okay, to begin, always cover your sneeze, either with a personal handkerchief or, of course, with a tissue. When done, always dispose of these immediately into a trash receptacle. Never litter. Never sneeze into your hands. This can transmit germs and boogies. Gross. If you do not have a tissue for one of those sneaky sneezes, make sure to use your upper arm or upper sleeve. Make sure after a sneeze to wash your hands and disinfect the sneeze radius. That's all for today. Make sure to cover those sneezes and keep a safe distance out there.